body snatchers and heart attackers. Mazda 3 combined, plus other chapters. I kick more flips than acrobatics. So you're plastic, couldn't get more charged than my dramatics. Don't pack it, but got friends that'll let you have it. Don't start it, or else they'll have to grab it. Insane till all my pain is out my brain. The drive of skull remains, another MC slain. Moving the cyphers, I'm the lighter with the fire. You're purple, going in circles like those Goodyear tires. Liars and labels on the other sides of tables. When I unravel, I'll be kicking more channels than the cables. I'm ready, willing, and able to end your lifeline. Your windpipe's mine, cause I'm inclined to kick the right rhyme. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor. I score when I do jacks, I'm lacking car doors. Likely sweaters, my rhymes the best of two minds. Like double headers, I creep the streets by putting cracks in concrete. Let alone about the underground from beneath. So sleep if you wanna. This day you'll be a goner. Why wonder or ponder? At least you'll die in honor. Steam like a sauna, zip my dome out like chrome. Next time MCs are left alone inside their tombs, their rooms are blown to pieces. You'll soon be calling Jesus. Swell, melt off the microphone heaters. Readers of lines read way beyond your crime. You're a child hiding behind imaginary lines. Gave it away with your whining and your bitching. Keep it warmer than the kitchen as I commence the lynching. Cut through the tension like machetes. I'm confetti coming down on you till you're through. Then I'm jetty. When I'm heated up, I speed it up like a freeway. Your D-Day is coming, so summon your creator. The life fader, come pledge to me like alpha beta. Collect the data, you're gonna need it to defeat me. They try to sweep me off my feet, they must be sleepy. They're gonna have to bring it stronger than that. I'm on to your rap, and damn, not the point of your crap. So chill before blood spills under the victim. My grill's a pit bull, and it'll kill when I say stick 'em. See, I could pick 'em out a crowd of a million. The villain, illin', not only here to make a killing. You're under pressure off my hardcore texture. The wrecker won't hear my steps when I come to get ya. Stunts who talk that junk, I'll never front. If it's hardcore that you're hunting, I'ma give you what you want.
Mathematics, baby got it covered like a prophylactic. Shorty to the side, say you know who that chick? L to the Q, dead it like a casket. Niggas getting high off the fame and carrots. Selling souls and dive for some ice and cabbage. Teaching all the youth, it's about the plastic. You ain't made enough for the cost of damage. They inherit dough, they inherit baggage. They don't wanna grow out the tit and carriage. What you really know about this flowing savage? Hip-hop is my life, it's just like a marriage. You don't wanna mess with me, be embarrassed. You don't know my state, you don't know my status. Corona Queens New York coming with the racket. And I ain't talking tennis, baby, Lynn the baddest.
The way you bring it that fire. Come on, baby, give me that heat. Gotta keep the devil down like a wire. Baby, take your time, Godspeed. Girl, I love the way you cook that mic up. Grab the beat and just hook that ride up. Bring the heat with that look when you're fired up. Keep it sweet, keep it shook till the night up.
Black Dahlia, know what that mean? Cut you off something like a guillotine. Dangerous soon as I hit the scene. Poison baby sorta like the nicotine. Keep forgetting it's a microphone fiend. Mine's a weapon both full and widescreen. I'ma get in disrespect this black queen. I'ma keep it sweating like you had a bad dream. Get your stunners, it's 100 high beams. Like Stevie Wonder's Q.u.e type things. Blinding suckers without diamond icings. We moving numbers like a bunch of Vikings. First the thunder, after that the lightning. Conserve the verbs as if I was right wing. Another year up this hair is frightening. Move it to the left, baby, do the right thing.
When you bring it that fire, come on, baby, give me that heat. Gotta keep the devil down like a wire. Baby, take your time, Godspeed. Girl, I love the way you cook that mic up. Grab the beat and just hook that ride up. Bring the heat with that look when you fired up. Keep it sweet, keep it shook till the night up.
48 bars, mini shooting spree. Check out the guitar with the illy melody. Shorties up the bar, major like a felony. How to be a player, ask Billy Bellamy. Always be on point like in front of enemies. Coming with them joints like we hedge with them trees. I'ma turn it up like 110 degrees. Hope you know what's up, writing lyrics, making beats. Can't test Q cause she bring you to your knees. Sorta like church, how them priests be with them peeps. Take the last verse and rehearse until they freeze. They be falling like Alicia Keys. Niggas wanna flash, walking past yelling cheese. Come on, settle down, you a clown nigga, please. Bringing a new sound with the taste of 93. Hip-hop is alive and it's living up with me.
When you bring it that fire, come on, baby, give me that heat. Gotta keep the devil down like a wire. Baby, take your time, Godspeed. Girl, I love the way you cook that mic up. Grab the beat and just hook that ride up. Bring the heat with that look when you fired up. Keep it sweet, keep it shook till the night up. Ooh, fire. Give me that heat. Like the wire. Godspeed. Cook that mic up. Hook that ride up. When you fired up. Till the night up.
Moving in and out of emotions with the magic potions like Bacardi up in my body, the one woman party. Marijuana shoddy till I'm leaning back, looking sloppy. Poppy easy with the wider when he spots me. Before I hit the train car, leather bag, mini bar like a chemist when I suck it up and hit it hard. It's a pity, God, about to hit the city, God. Happy drunk with the skunk, keeping it real gritty, God. Go meet my homie, where everybody know me. Don't wanna meet no strangers, most be dangerous and be phony. Antisocial postal, isolator, mostly vocal. With mics and chokeholds, spitting Acapulcos. Hot like cocoa, hotter temper, oh no. Better play it safe and go jump up in a Volvo. Vision slow-mo, too much in my system. Ordering another shot with my infinite wisdom. Those who forget are doomed to repeat. I remind myself every night on how I used to be. Couldn't live without a drink, some weed or anything that would get me out of this hell that I was living in. It was my last call, last call. By this time on my grind, holding up the speakers. Right amount of bass, baby, right amount of tweeters. Head banging back and forth like it's about to jump off my neck. Close my eyes, now I got that by myself effect. I'm in the zone like I'm home alone, like McCully on my own with the biggest headphones like a gully. Speakers bumpy like the road, love to ride. Interrupt and die, don't be messing with my high. Unless you're passing me a shot or some pot, or you're hot like and wanna give me what you got. What about whole of rocks and the chaser? 3 shots straight up for the liquor space maker. I got the paper, so baby, you got the tip. Later for the small talk, just give it to me quick. Guzzle in the licks like it's water. Then I make my way back to the speakers, way back like Latin quarters. Those who forget are doomed to repeat. I remind myself every night on how I used to be. Couldn't live without a drink, some weed or anything that would get me out of this hell that I was living in. It was my last call, last call. Staggering out the club, my girl's holding me up. It ain't really pretty, but I don't give a fuck. Ready for my close-up with the pillow. About to black out, so I'm feeling really mellow. But still I shout, like Tourette's. Cursing till I break a sweat. My homies laughing, one asking she ain't knocked out yet. I slowly get up in the car when my stamina hits its limit. She'll be sleeping in a minute. Put on the music, it will calm down the beast and make her sleep. 5 o'clock in the morning, we hit the streets. On the road to Queens, my homies got my back. Driving home a fiend, my homies cool like that. Was it a dream? I always think when I wake up. Don't wanna call my homies, hear the stories they gon' make up. The jig was up the last day of September. Don't know how many nights of life I can't remember. Those who forget are doomed to repeat. I remind myself every night on how I used to be. Couldn't live without a drink, some weed or anything that would get me out of this hell that I was living in. It was my last call, last call. Those who forget are doomed to repeat. I remind myself every night on how I used to be. Couldn't live without a drink, some weed or anything that would get me out of this hell that I was living in. It was my last call, last call.
Yeah, what's up, ladies? Bless me video. Lin Que-Year. Même si je suis à Paris ou en France ou à New York City, je suis toujours content d'entendre un nouvel album de toi. That Peace EP from Paris, France. Peace.
Hey Lin, what's up? It's Sean over at Set Day. Hey Lin, what's up? It's Barb. Just giving you a ring. I wanted to let you know that your promo pics for Godspeed are here. They just got in. I put them on your desk. It looks super, super hot. You look great.
Get it poppin', get it poppin'. 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 Whatever reason that you party tonight, if you came to meet a hottie that'll rub on your thighs, then look right at him and say, drop that shit, drop that shit, drop that shit, drop that shit. For the music and the chick with the mic, it's gonna get it poppin' till the room is airtight. Then let me hear you say, spit that shit, spit that shit, spit that shit, spit that shit. Hear them wheeze, drop to their knees. Rhymes too tight, they can't even breathe. A comeback, it's a golden retrieve. Be keeping tricks like you chicks up under my sleeve. Bob and weave, set up for attack. Like you on the track, splat, fly bitch, go flat. I take it back. refunds, but yo, this ain't no rerun. Link Q, fuck else would it be, son? This chick is seasoned and ready to serve. Dangerous with the verbs, word, do not disturb. Keep it so street, you can't find a curve. Breaking necks, cause I just keep them hanging on words. Get loose with lips, pay dues and chips. Like Link Close, I am fatal and refuse to quit. I split you quick like my name was Brad Pitt. You a sucker motherfucker like the nipples on tits. Whatever reason that you party tonight, if someone's in your face and they mess up your high, throw up your middle finger, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. And if you really can't take it no more, just let me fucking spit, I'll bring they ass to the floor. Just let me hear you say, rip that shit. Rip that shit. Rip that shit. Rip that shit. Lose control, your ass or your soul. Strip bitches for they riches without any pole. Concentrate on my juice like shareholders and doles. Some just want it to be over like Keisha Cole. 10 years unfold the rigmarole. Copycats with Crystal, hope you're ready to flow. Jump in your whips if you're ready to go. Bomb squad can't stop the guard, detonate and explode. When I unload, I go on display. Strike like Toussaint right in front MTA. Paint a perfect picture like my name was Monet. If you ain't visual, then listen to the shit that I spray. No more freestyles, I never got paid. I'll let you light that ass like your last Gatorade. Be the number one that they all underrate. Those days are over now, I take a bow and create. Whatever reason that you party tonight, if someone's in the club and they starting to fight, just turn around and say, stop that shit. Stop that shit. Stop that shit. Stop that shit. And if that nigga just don't wanna stop, I'm almost fucking positive he loves some hip hop. So let me hear you say, hit that shit. Hit that shit. Hit that shit. Hit that shit. Move aside if you ain't in for the ride. This weapon keeps you stepping like the electric slide. I rep in Queens and I do it with pride. My version of a surgeon cause I keep it so live. It's suicide, so don't open your mouth. Every line got a punch knocking you the hell out. And every bunch got a stunt who is waiting to sprout. But my joints cause more pain than arthritis and gout. What I'm about, I had to tone down. But if you look me in the face, you know I don't fuck around. I'm what's been missing, so go check lost and found. My vision makes you listen cause that's how I get down. I take a toke of you both till I choke. Blow rings around you folks till your air full of smoke. I crack more heads than them vials full of coke. My pen is full of blood cause it's murder she wrote. Drop that shit. Drop that shit. Spit that shit. Spit that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Rip that shit. Rip that shit. Stop that shit. Stop that shit. Hit that shit. Hit that shit. Pop that shit. Pop that shit. Pop that shit. Pop that shit.
Get it poppin', get it poppin'. 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 Get it poppin', get it poppin'.
Lin, it's Finn. Hit me back. Peace.
Yo, Lin, what's good, 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 what's good? It's crazy out there, give you a holler. Hey Lin, peace, what up? It's Reef. Giving you a call. I was supposed to call you earlier. I'm sorry, I've been running around. Quite sure you have to. Alright, I'll holler at you at some point tomorrow. We'll connect. Alright, peace, Wayne. Peace.
Yo, Miles, come here.
What?
I want to talk to you.
What?
Can I talk to you for a second?
What do you want?
It's just the laws of attraction. Whatever you give out, you get back, son. Think first, then the thoughts give birth like contractions. Let your passion stimulate you into action. Fighting over rations when the whole world is your mansion. The universe, your church, baby boy, you a star. You be yourself, but first you gotta know who you are. God is you, so faith in you will carry you far. Never give up on yourself, just reach for the stars. Don't let the rumor root of all evil try to fool you. Nothing's wrong with money, but don't never let it rule you. Life will school you. Know that God is speaking through you. Not only what you do with life, but you let life do to you. Some friends will scam, you always got your fam. Despite your father's plans, you have grown into a man. And I'll be damned, hell of a lesson. Hindsight's 20/20. Your father's absence was a blessing.
Born and raised, that
I'm talking to Miles.
These are the days walked hand in hand. Walked away.
That's right, I'm talking to Miles. That's right, I'm talking to Miles.
Don't forget it, just because you're grown, don't think you
I'm talking to Miles.
I'm still learning.
I'm talking to Miles.
You have
Now about
about them chicks. I know you grown in relationships. You handle your own, not trying to get up in your biz. You might be feeling bliss, but just a little list. Things you might look out for, some things you might have missed. Look out for them chicks who's always on the take. Hands all up in your plate, she's only after cake. Don't fall for the bait, be on point from the gate. Her words don't match her actions, and yo, that chick is fake. You know the deal, she can't express how she feels. She'll tell you if you loved her, you'd know that chick ain't real. Watch out for them bug ones, the ones looking for thugs. Them chicks will get you killed and tell you that it's love. Especially them chicks who's always on them drugs. High day and night, and yet they never get enough. So that's what's up, don't let them treat you like you crap. Pick a woman that deserves you, baby boy, I got your back.
Born and raised, that
I'm talking the miles.
These are the days, walked hand in hand, we walked away.
That's right, I'm talking the miles. That's right, I'm talking the miles.
Don't forget it, just because you're grown, don't think you
I'm talking the miles.
I'm still learning.
I'm talking the miles. You ain't got no clue. Before you, it was all about LinQ. You made me see myself through all the things that you would do. A little boy reflecting things in me I never knew. Had to make some changes, had to grow up with you too. When things were getting rough, you'd come give me a hug. 7-year-old boy teaching mommy how to love. We made it through the drugs when you were 12. You said it all, you couldn't die from bad grades, but I could die from alcohol. Kinda small, but that day you stood real tall. Planted a seed in me that I could never again ignore. You still endured, like a soldier holding fort. Mission would abort, cause the ball was in my court. Real talk, it's like you taught me how to live. Open up my heart unconditionally and give. You showed me the way, you showed me how to pray. Made me the loving mother and woman you see today.
Born and raised, that
I'm talking the miles.
These are the days, walked hand in hand, we walked away.
That's right, I'm talking the miles.
That's
right, I'm talking the miles.
Don't forget it, just because you're grown, don't think you
I'm
know
talking the
everything.
miles.
I'm still learning.
I'm talking the miles. That's right, I'm talking the miles. I'm talking the miles.
These are the days, walked hand in hand, we walked away.
That's right, I'm talking the miles. That's right, I'm talking the miles.
Don't forget it, just because you're grown, don't think you
I'm
know
talking the miles.
everything. I'm still learning.
I'm talking the miles. That's right, I'm talking the miles.
Yo, Lin, what's up? Uncle Ralph. Video Music Box, come on, you know what's good. Let's get it poppin', mama. Godspeed, I'm waiting on that. You know what I got to do with it, Godspeed, though. So get it poppin', get back at your uncle when you do that video. You know, I need to get that first. You know how we do it every time. Talk to you later.
Yeah. Lin Que-Year in the building. Bullet. Culture on the side. You better tell them what I go on down. Don't hold it in like they nose have a condom. We spitting lyrics like a bullet in my random. Run for cover, sucker MCs in a one none. Hey, why? They say you don't want none. Trust me, you don't want none. Yo, me say Lin gon' come and all hell will come too. Yo, why? Me say when she come, you don't receive no pardon. Hey yo, when she done, you all will be done too. Hey yo,
you better trust me when I tell you don't want none. Spit like a fella, acapella, make your face numb. Little spit and drop them like the bottom of a bass drum. They trip like a vacation, there is no preparation. It's not a game cause I don't play, son. I got your back, in fact I got the tracks like a train station. Brought up to not get caught up in the hyper-rich creation. My mother black invasion, my father Trini Asian. They asking me what your persuasion. You in it for the money, go ahead honey, get your cake, son. But when I'm up on stage, stay the hell out of my way, son. Just know your place, son, this MC has no patience. Every color, every race, son. My Africans, Hispanics, Europeans, and my Haitians, Scandinavians, Caribbeans, and Caucasians, natives and Asians, big up true hip-hop nation.
You better tell them what I go on down. Don't hold it in like they nose have a condom. We spitting lyrics like a bullet in my random. Run for cover, sucker MCs in a one none. Hey, why? We say you don't want none. Trust me, you don't want none. We say when she come, you don't receive no pardon. You will be done too.
Dropping gems like red rubies. Hip-hop is on its last breath. This future's looking gloomy. So when you see me, don't wonder why I'm looking moody. Don't know what it does to me. The music just consumes me. Come from your heart or you don't move me. If you lift the spirits with your lyrics, bring it to me. Some may say that they know me, but never really knew me. If you watching Q.u.e, you acting like a groupie. Don't get it twisted, I'm no newbie. I've been on the scene since God was singing Groove Me. Attacking it's a rap like the end of a movie. Can't do nothing to me, your words just move right through me. I'm not ghetto, I'm not bougie. I'm about my people, but I'm not sporting the kufi. I rock like Chris and Jacket City like I'm Pookie. Golden like I'm Dookie, flavor like Foofy Foofy.
You better tell them what I go on down. Don't hold it in like they nose have a condom. We
hoes and guns up in your music. What else is in your heart? Get your pen and just get to it. Can you prove it? Play like Nike and just do it. Just like an addict, you abuse it. It's sorta like a habit, you take hip hop and just use it. If you ain't making millions, you about to go and lose it. I got love like I'm Cupid, you're thinking that I'm stupid. You ain't happy with a few hits, you're in it for the money and the honey, so you ruin it. Hip hop is re-emerging, so new versions coming soon, kid. You won't confuse it, I keep it very lucid. You wanna hear it again, loop it. I microwave the track, hot like that when I nuke it. Then go and overlap and run it back with acoustics. So wind it down, sucker MCs when I do this.
You better tell them what I go on down. Don't hold it in like the nose of a condom. We spitting lyrics like a bullet in my random. Run for cover, sucker MCs in a one none. We say you don't want none, trust me, you don't want none. We say when she come, you don't receive no pardon. You will be done too. Yeah, Link Q. Yeah, say you don't want none, I'm not want none. Yo, hold it down. Yo, Link, chill, yo. You don't want none, I'm not ready for it. I'm not ready for the real business, yo. Just be easy till the next time done, you know what I'm saying? Right now you done wrecked the place already, yo. Easy, yo. Your boy Culture, hold it down. Bullet. All of Brooklyn, the whole of hip-hop. You're not ready, yo. You don't want none, trust me. Yeah, you don't want none, trust me. Yeah, you don't want none, trust me. Yeah, me say all hell will come to. You come to. Yeah. Link Q.
Shawnee Culture.
Play this.
What up? This is Bobby. They're gonna sing a cool Bob Love. Check it out, Godspeed, my homegirl Lin. What up?
Play this.
Check this out, it's T-Face, so of course, shouting out my homegirl Lin Q. Man, Lin Q, and definitely, man, you've been a blessing to this whole hip-hop industry. I think it's about time we let the people out there know what Godspeed's about. It's that album, Godspeed.
Play this.
Come to my world of ecstasy. Come to my world of ecstasy. Come to my world of ecstasy. Of ecstasy. Come to my world 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 of ecstasy.
manicures. I be the baddest chick that bull like matadors with the tragic kick like Coca one stroke from Ronaldinho. Take the cake like Sharon Stone, a big casino. Get stomped like Vino. Nigga, I ain't bluffing. You're dreaming, girl, it's my world like Jennifer Hudson. I know you're loving my style like a nympho. Original like floppies, ain't no copies. This ain't kink though. I'm like chemo, you're like cancer of the liver. It's surgical the way I cut you right out of the picture. And I deliver like C-sections. The same style and complexion. Diamond cut to perfection. I get them up like erections. Your rappers horse around like extensions. This is a hip-hop intervention. Relieve the tension like a foreplay massage. Either way you look, you're fucked, sorta like a menage. Targets locked, I'm engaged like fiancés. You must not know about me like Beyonce. I make them clap to this. I make them clap to this. Clap, 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 clap. Like Mama Teresa, Greg, I'm nice. Money horse will shut the hell up for the right price, that's right. You're large chick, you're Titanic. I'm more like an iceberg, bitch, I'm gigantic. We all know what happened to that ship, niggas panic. That's enough, Lin. You're right, you're talking to an addict. I give them a second before they tail spin. Give about another one to let it soak in. You don't know what hit your chick, where you been. Forensics came in, it is unquestionably Lin. I'm looking for your heart like you're made of tin. I'm looking for your brain like you're scaring crows in the wind. Looking for your courage, grenades without the pins. After that I bring it home like 3 clicks to your chin. KO, I get them so hooked like yayo. I bring them back and mold these rappers like they Play-Doh. Targets locked, I'm engaged like fiancés. You must not know about me like Beyonce. I make them clap to this. I make them clap to this. Clap, 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 clap. You wanna impress them kids, then you're done. You wanna impress them bullies in the streets with them guns. You wanna impress your hood, then rep where you're from. You wanna impress them C's, bring your skills when you come. This is Lin Q about to land this craft. When I'm on the air, you'll need an oxygen mask. Better come prepared or baby girl, you won't last. Hip-hop visits the present but lives in the past. So if you love hip-hop, where you at? If you know the difference between hip-hop and rap. If you know who got real skills and who is whack. If you love the track, if you got my back. If you like waking up these sleepers from their naps. If you like eating up these rappers like they snacks. If you know believing all our hype is a trap. Hip-hop is crack, so I'd like to bring it back. Targets locked, I'm engaged like fiancés. You must not know about me like Beyonce. I make them clap to this. I make them clap to this. Clap, 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 clap. Targets locked, I'm engaged like fiancés. You must not know about me like Beyonce. I make them clap to this. I make them clap to this. Clap, 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 clap.
Hey, yo, Lin, what's goody? The Diamonds, Mike checking you, you heard? Yo, congrats on that fire you put out for the people, yo. Godspeed. That's what they've been needing, you dig? Hey, yo, holla at your girl, Miss Diamonds, a.k.a. Live Wire. You already know. Get at me. One.
Yeah. Lin Q reporting for duty. All MCs to the front line. All you rappers get left behind. Hip hop, holy war. First off, here comes the force to kill you soft. Like Roberta when I come to serve the main course. Undermine the jaw, fetch it like a Labrador. Never mind applause, I just do it for the cause. Hip hop, holy wars, and the enemies endorse. So yo, they got the fun, sell out punk ass money whores. Deadly vocal cords, banging down your doors. Gorilla hardcore, beneficial that you snore. While you counting sheep, I be in the cut so deep that you can't even fathom verbal magnums at your feet. They listen to your beats, they listen when we speak. You're too damn superficial to admit you hit the beat. I move with the elite, I spit and flow so sweet. Trying to bite this heat to leave cavities in your teeth. Peep, I keep it street, well-rounded like a reef. You amateurs can't compete, Peace your reef, Godspeed. Hip-hop holy wars, all MCs, grease your jaws. Snipers knees to the floors, make them bleed for the cause. We don't need the applause, need the awards. Cease those money whores, so the art form isn't lost. Stay focused. All MCs to the front line. Step up, step up, step up. When I pitch a bitch, they catch hell, turn pastel. Start from scratch, recycle talk is trash. Styles are vast, fix was broke like a cast. A moving mass, a lyrical stash in their own class. Sure to please you, don't know me, you got amnesia. Don't feel me, then you really on some type of anesthesia. The chick with the beater, the bib, the MC eater. Chillin' like I'm sitting on my kitten in the freezer. More pull than a tweezer, more than meets the eye. Lin has got the heater, raise your hands to the sky. No more alibis, fairy tales, no more lies. Pricks get out of line, pricks get circumcised. Right through your disguise, to your soul, through your eyes. Born with the drive, determination to survive. Lin keeps it live, all around the world. Can't catch this attitude cause I don't throw like no girl. Hip-hop holy wars, all MCs, grease your jaws. Snipers knees to the floors, make them bleed for the cause. We don't need the applause, need the awards. Cease those money whores so the art form isn't lost. Stay focused. All MCs to the front line. Step up, step up, step up. All you rappers get left behind. Yeah, fall back. Hip-hop Hip-hop holy wars, all MCs, grease your jaws, snipers knees to the floors, make them bleed for the cause. We don't need the applause, need the awards. Cease those money whores, so the art form isn't lost. Stay focused. Sporting the vest, hip-hop is on its last breath. 3 minutes later, call me the resuscitator, pacemaker, the built-in escalator and elevator. LinQ's no small potato. On the court, you've been taught the last resort, so plug and play and do away with life support. The connoisseur, entrepreneur, hip-hop holy war. On the front line, lenders on time. Niggas gon' crime, niggas gon' grind. Niggas ain't deaf, but niggas throw signs. Remember when them niggas blew minds, not by pulling out nines, by pulling out rhymes, aiming at the spine. You can't even see it, don't move it or be it. The paraplegic, so get your rest. I know you want what's best. Blink once for no and yo twice for yes. But nonetheless, I hold it down and pass the test. You mainstream local, I'm underground express. Hip-hop holy wars, all MCs, grease your jaws, snipers knees to the floors, make them bleed for the cause. We don't need the applause, need the awards. Cease those money whores, so the art form isn't lost. Stay focused, MCs, stay focused. All MCs to the front line. Step up, step up. All you rappers get left behind. Fall back, fall back. Yeah. Hip-hop holy wars, all MCs, grease your jaws, snipers knees to the floors, make them bleed for the cause. We don't need the applause, need the awards. Cease those money whores, so the art form isn't lost. Stay focused. I know you don't want me to double that shit, cause that's fucking possible. Yo, you let it ride, son. You like that shit, that ad-lib shit.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy. It's the 4-time All-Star BET Comic View, Sean Harris. I represent my girl Lin Q. You know what I'm talking about? Ice's ex-clan. I met the girl on Sunset Boulevard in LA. You know what I'm talking about? But I respected her because she was absolutely gorgeous to me, wearing that hat with her light skin and them pillow lips. But the thing is, the girl was spitting the truth. She was saying some deep shit way back then. I wasn't understanding.